Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo, and please don't leave without subscribing to my channel, okay? Yeah. Okay, to begin with, I'll be working on a slightly damp hair, and my hair is clean, as you can see. I will be using two gels, the Eco Styler gel and of course the molding gel wax. Okay, so the consistency of the gel wax is thicker compared to the Eco Styler gel. So guys, the reason why I'm using the gel wax is because it's going to give my hair some more firm hold. I will be starting by parting my hair into a side part, exactly as you can see in the video. Okay, so I'm going for a side part. Okay, so it depends with what you're going for again. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just take my small scrunchie and hold my hair because I don't want this hair to get into the to where I did the parts. Okay, so I'll just hold that using some small scrunchie, and then I'll start working. I will start applying the gel, of course. So I'm going to start working in section. Okay, if you want your hair to like lay flat and you want everything to stay neat and all that, consider working in section. And so I'll go in with my comb just to part my hair, but again you can use your finger. Okay, it doesn't, your parts doesn't have to look all neat and all that. Okay, so after parting my hair, I'll just go straight ahead and take my Eco Styler gel and apply it on my hair, exactly as you can see in the video. So I will be applying some Eco Styler gel, and then I'll go in with my wax gel just to make sure that I don't have any flyaways or anything of sort. And just to let you know, if your hair is thick, my hair is thin, so if you have thick hair, then consider working in small section. Okay, and you have to be very patient with yourself. Okay, so if you have thick hair, then consider working, like I said, work in small section. That's the only way you can get your hair to slick down and that, to make it look neat and all that. Okay, so I'll be working in section, and after I applied gel in every section, I'll just go in with my scrunchie again just to hold my hair. So guys, just to let you know, you can use any gel of your choice again. Okay, it is not a must to use this particular one. Just work with any gel that any gel that works for you. Okay, so here I am doing the same technique, sectioning my hair, applying some Eco Styler gel, and go in with my wax gel just to make sure that we don't have any flyaways or anything of sort. Okay, because again I'm going for a very neat finishing. So yeah guys, that is literally what I am doing right now, and that's the reason why I told you earlier that you have to be very patient with yourself. Okay, it's like if you're in a hurry, then I don't think you're going to achieve this sleek look. And because again, you have to just sit down and work your hair out until you done with the whole process. Okay, so working in section will just help your hair to slick down and all that. And again guys, don't go in with so much gel because it will take you forever for it to dry. Okay, just take some good amount okay, some good amount of this gel, and everything will just stay down. Okay, so yeah guys, so I'm just continuing. And another thing that I've noticed is that when you use your brush to your brush also helps you to smoothen your hair and make everything looks neat and all that. Okay, so if you don't have this particular brush that I'm using, you can go in with your shoe brush. Okay, but please make sure that you wash your shoe brush if by any chance you'll be using it to slick down your hair. Okay, so guys, continue watching, and please, if by any chance you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you have watched this video till here, please consider subscribing, okay? And also you can leave your comments in the comment section down below. And if again you have any questions regarding this gel that I'm using, or any other question, please again comment down below. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful in one way or another, please consider liking. Don't forget to share this video as well. You can share it. It is free of charge, okay? Don't forget to share, like this video, comment down below, and I will truly appreciate your support, guys. So that's the only way you can support me, okay? By commenting, sharing this video, liking, and all that. So yeah, guys, so I'm continuing sectioning my hair and applying gel, as you can see in the video. And the hair doesn't look that bad, okay? This gel is really working. It's really doing the job that it's supposed to do, okay? So that's the reason why, again, I love eco styler gel, because as you can see, it is doing the job, okay? Yeah, so I'll be going in, like I said earlier, with my eco style gel. And once I've applied my eco style, I'll go in my molding wax, like I said before, just to make sure that my hair stays down, and just to give it that neat finish, that neat look, and all that. So guys, you can try this gel, and you will let me know in the comment section, okay? And like I said before, again, you can go for any gel that you feel you are comfortable in, or comfortable with. So yeah, at the end of the day, we're just going for the same look, for the same style. So feel free to use the gel that works best for you. Once I'm done with applying the gel, I'll go in with my comb, okay, just to comb my hair. And then I'll hold my hair again using my scrunchie or my hair tie, okay? So that will be it, guys. It is as simple as that. That is how I applied my gel. And as you all can see, my hair is really neat, okay? You can just tell from the video. And again, this hairbrush that I'm using is just doing the magic, okay? Look at how neat my hair is, guys. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just hold my hair using my hair scrunchie, and this is how my hair is looking like. So don't worry about the white stuff. So I'll go in with my edge brush just to lay my edges, and then once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and wrap my hair. So guys, once I'm done, I'll just go in with my scarf and just wrap my hair, and just to make sure that everything else again stays flat and all that, and also to ensure that my hair dries up completely. So again, if you have a hair dry, you can use it just to ensure that your hair dries faster, okay? So I'll go in again with another scarf and wrap my hair exactly as you can see in the video, okay guys? Because like I told you before, I want my hair to like lay down, okay? And again, I want my hair to be neat and all that. Okay, so guys, here I am, and I left this scarf for about an hour. And let us just see what you have. And as you all can see, yes, I'm super excited with how my hair is like laid down. And I'm going to use this Marley hair for my extension. So I'll go in and tie my hair around my bun, or rather tie this Marley hair around my bun, exactly as you can see in the video. Then after flipping it back, I'll just take some small section of this hair and then I'll just wrap it onto my ponytail, exactly as you can see, guys. And then once I'm done, I'll just go in with my bobby pins just to secure this hair and to make it, you know, stay and all that. And guys, as you can see, my hair is looking all neat and all that. Okay, so this hair, or rather this gel, works magic, guys. So this was it for this video, guys. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, thank you so much again for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next video. So bye for now and take care.